Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Vidcutter version 5.5.0 on Linux Mint 18.3. Vidcutter is a free and open source video editor software that lets you to trim and edit various video files with a different format. Okay, now let us see how to install Vidcutter on Linux Mint 18.3. First of all, we have to add the repository of Vidcutter using by PPA. Click enter and continue. Then before starting our installation, you should update our system repository using the apt-get command. The update is going on. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the Vidcutter application. Click OK and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. After installation, we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Vidcutter. The application is shown on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now you can able to using this Vidcutter application. Now here we can see the version of Vidcutter 5.5.0. Thus we have seen how to install Vidcutter on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxskill. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxskill.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxskill.com.